When planning your study abroad budget, we recommend consulting our CIS Abroad program budgets. Here, you can see each of our semester programs are broken down into the application fee, the tuition and fees, which include support services before, during, and after the program, CIS Abroad activities, events, excursions, and an optional micro-credential. The next columns cover housing and the international health insurance. This can be helpful if you're using financial aid or scholarships for your studies abroad, and you need to provide your financial aid office with a breakdown of your program fee. In terms of budgeting for additional expenses not included in the program fee, we recommend consulting the Additional Expenses tab. Here, we've provided an average cost for the variety of additional expenses that you may incur during your study abroad program. For example, you can see here the average estimated cost of meals per term that are not included in the program fee. This is an estimate for somebody who mostly prepares their meals at home and occasionally eats in restaurants. If you plan on eating out more frequently, you may want to allocate more in your budget for food. The same goes for local transportation. These estimates are for somebody who largely uses a local transportation pass and walks to their destination when possible. If you plan on using lots of taxis or ride-sharing services, you'll want to increase your budget in this area accordingly. Similarly, the estimated cost of other personal expenses will vary depending on your personal spending habits. If you're planning on shopping for more than the essentials, or see yourself going out more than once or twice per week, you'll want to consider adding more to this section of your budget. And if you scroll to the last column, you can see any additional information that might be helpful in your budget planning. For example, you can see that the Costa Rica semester program includes 2 meals per day, which will drastically reduce the amount of money you'll need to budget on meals. It's important to note that the cost of personal travel is not included in the additional expenses, simply because this amount can vary so widely per individual, and so it's difficult to provide an accurate estimate. If you have questions about budgeting for your specific travel plans, please reach out to your program coordinator for more information. Finally, for those participating in short-term study abroad programs, we have a similar budget on our website that provides the same information. I hope this has been helpful. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can talk to one of our advisors, or if you're already in the application process, you can talk to your program coordinator.